So we're hosting a gesture drawing challenge over at Proko.com. Stephen Michael Hampton's new gesture drawing course is coming up for pre-sale in December, and so I figured let's get warmed up for it. Throughout November, we'll be posting weekly gesture drawing prompts. You'll use the Proko Timer tool to create timed sessions with some free reference poses. And if you complete and submit all the quick sketch drawings, you'll be in the running for Michael's course and a few other prizes. And by the way, the Proko Black Friday sale is live, and that means 20% off everything.
Yay!
Here's a little preview of what Michael Hampton's course will look like. He'll show you a couple different methods for drawing gesture and how you can infuse your poses with story.
Boy.
He'll show you how to exaggerate your figures and how to draw them quickly. If you want to get good at gesture drawing, this will be the course for you. If you've already taken my figure drawing course, this will be a great continuation of that, allowing you to focus a little bit more intensely on some gesture concepts and get more practice in. Michael will be doing critique videos, so if you participate in the course as it's being released, you have a chance to get your drawings critiqued. So that's it. All the challenge details, deadlines, and rules are over at Proko.com/challenge. Good luck.